Okay, welcome to week 21. This week we're going to continue working in PowerPoint and we're going to practice typing. So before you begin is here. This is where you found your video that you're watching. This is the student checklist. You do not need to turn this checklist in to me. It is solely for you. It is pretty much set up the same way it always is. We're Monday at 11. I will do this part live. We have 3 assignments and we will do Wednesday at 11. Both of them are voluntary. So this week's essential question is, does animations and transitions take away from the purpose of a presentation? So are they annoying? Do they take attention away from what a presentation is supposed to accomplish? So assignment 1, you will be using last week's landform PowerPoint, and you're going to put 2 animations on each slide. Okay, so let me explain to you the difference between an animation and a transition. I do it also in these assignments, but an animation is on a slide. It makes something move or change on the slide. A transition is something that happens between slides, from slide to slide. So this week we are going to make something happen on a slide. So you're going to put 2 animations on each of the slides from last week's landform PowerPoint. Assignment 2 is you are going to make a 1-slide acrostic poem. Remember, an acrostic poem is a word and you take each letter and you put a fact to it. And we're going to do ours about the perils of smoking. So smoking is our word. And you're only allowed to have 1 slide to put all of these different animations on, and I give you very specific instructions and an example. And then the last thing you'll do is we're working on typing. We're going to work on the top row. So you're going to do a 1-minute timed test on the top row, and then you are going to compare it to your overall speed from week 19. And that will be what we are doing this week. If you have any questions or problems, please message me. And if not, I hope to see you on Monday or Wednesday. Have a wonderful week.